What's going on, YouTube? Just want to make this quick video. It's getting hot now, so you're probably trying to recharge your AC like I am. You got some refrigerant, and maybe you have one of these, reusable gauge things, hook up to the low end, whatnot. And maybe you're putting it on the can, you go to try to recharge it, and nothing's coming out, or it comes out for a little and then nothing, and you feel the can is still full, still like heavy, you can hear it. I mean, you're just like, why is it not recharging? And the reason is because all refrigerants now are going to have a resealable valve, or no, self-sealing valve. So that's probably it right there, like the red that you're seeing there. But basically, you're gonna need an adapter to use this. That doesn't mean, you can still use this. You just gotta go pick up one of these adapters. It's only $3 at O'Reilly's. I just got it. You can go ahead and put this on the can, and then put your gauge thing on, and then you should be good to go. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps.